Which elliptical is actually good for home use? It's a simple question, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Today, we'll break down the top 5 options so you can find the perfect fit for your workout routine. Product number 1, MERACH Underdesk Elliptical. First up, we have the MERACH Underdesk Elliptical machine, priced at just $99.99. What caught my attention was its compact design and quiet operation. If you want a simple way to stay active while working, this is worth a serious look. This all-in-one underdesk elliptical offers a smooth, low-impact motion that's perfect for burning calories without straining your joints. With a 60W motor and 12 manual speed levels, you can tailor your workout intensity. The ultra-quiet performance, clocking in at less than 15 dB, means you can work out without disturbing anyone around you. Plus, the remote control and LED touch screen allow for easy tracking of your progress in real time. Here's why this matters for you. If you're stuck at a desk all day, this lets you sneak in a workout without the hassle of going to the gym. Now, some users mention that the pedal system might feel too lightweight, which might not give you the intense workout you're seeking. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly looking for a way to stay active during your workday, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're an office worker or a senior looking to keep your legs moving. Skip it if you're after a more intense cardio workout. For the price, it offers great value for those seeking convenience. Now, if the MERACH's lighter resistance was a concern, the next one might just surprise you with its intensity. Product number 2, QBIJ R1 Underdesk Elliptical. Next, we have the QBIJ R1 priced at $174.99. I love the sleek design and the ease of use. If you're looking to burn calories while sitting at your desk, this is a fantastic option to consider. The QBIJ R1 is designed specifically for underdesk use, allowing you to smoothly pedal while you work or even watch TV. With a built-in LCD display, it tracks your calories burned, distance traveled, and strides pedaled so you can easily monitor your progress. Plus, it's low impact, making it suitable for anyone, including seniors or those in rehab. The compact size is great for small spaces, and it's rated 4.6 stars with over 16,900 reviews, showing it's a popular choice. Here's why this matters for you. It's a simple way to integrate more movement into your day without needing a big gym setup. However, some users found it a bit too low to the ground, making it uncomfortable for taller individuals. But if you're average height or shorter, this shouldn't be a problem. This is perfect for anyone working from home who needs to stay active. Skip it if you're looking for something more advanced or intense. For the convenience it offers, the price feels justified. Alright, that's a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more resistance. Product number 3, Nice Day Elliptical Machine. Coming in at $599.99, the Nice Day Elliptical Exercise Machine is next. I was impressed by its sturdiness and the smooth motion. If you desire a full-body workout experience at home, this one is definitely worth considering. This machine features an 18-inch stride length that mimics a natural walking motion, catering to users up to 64. The digital monitor tracks crucial metrics like time, speed, and calories, and it connects to the KinaMap app for added fun. Here's why this matters. If you want an elliptical that grows with your fitness journey, this gives you the flexibility to challenge yourself as you improve. Now, some users reported that setting it up can be a bit tedious. But honestly, once you get through that, you're left with a solid machine that can last for years. This is perfect for serious fitness enthusiasts or those looking to commit to a home workout routine. Skip this one if you're just starting out or need something more compact. It's a bit of an investment, but it could replace a full gym setup. If the size and setup time are concerns, the next elliptical might fit your space better. Product number 4, Pubu Elliptical Machine. At $299.99, we have the Pubu Elliptical Machine. The solid build and the quiet operation caught my eye. If you want a reliable machine that blends performance with comfort, this could be a great choice. The Pubu features a 15.5-inch stride that simulates natural motion while accommodating users up to 65. Plus, with 16 levels of adjustable resistance, you can easily find the intensity that suits your needs, whether you're just starting or looking to push yourself. This is great for anyone wanting a versatile workout experience. However, a few users mentioned that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, you'll appreciate the quality and performance it offers. This is a solid option for anyone looking to work out at home without the noise and hassle. Skip it if you want a machine with a higher weight capacity. It's a great mid-range option for the quality you get. Now, if you're looking for a more compact design, the final product on our list has you covered. Product number 5, Cursor Fitness Under Desk Elliptical. Finally, we have the Cursor Fitness Under Desk Elliptical priced at $69.99. I found its portability and ease of use really appealing. If you need something ultra-compact, this is a fantastic option. This mini elliptical is designed for quick, gentle workouts and features both automatic and manual modes, allowing you to adjust the intensity easily. It operates under 15 dB, so you can work out without any distractions, whether you're at home or in the office. The real-time LCD monitor tracks your progress, and the remote control allows you to adjust settings without bending down. Here's why this matters. It's perfect for those who want to stay active without committing to a bulky machine. That said, some users felt the resistance levels could be a bit lacking for those seeking a more intense workout. But if your primary goal is to keep moving and stay healthy, this shouldn't be a major concern. This is perfect for anyone who needs a lightweight, portable machine for light exercise. Skip it if you're looking for something more intense or durable. For the price, you really can't beat the value. With all these options, you really have a range of choices, from compact and portable to sturdy and feature-rich. It really depends on your needs and how serious you are about your fitness journey. So there you have it. From the compact MERACH and QBI for light workouts to the more robust NiceDay and PUBU for serious training, along with the Cursor Fitness for portable use, there's something for everyone. Choose based on your space, workout needs, and budget, and you'll find the perfect elliptical for your home.